this type of markets are available at every neighborhood.
In the developed country, in the United States, in Europe, maybe 80-90% of the produce is sold at the formal chains. In Peru, only 15% is sold at that kind of stores. The rest is sold at this kind of the market. I'm not saying it's necessarily it's fresher. It's just that the way you have contact with the saleswoman, she knows you, she gives you credit, she smiles at you. It's different.
It's the connection from the soil to the person to the table. And this is the most important way for me because this is when it's real. Oh my God! Look at this, look.
And also, they all have phones. So when you need something that is not usually available, you just pick up the phone and says, Maria, can you get me this? Okay, don't worry, Edvina, for tomorrow we will have it, for the day after I'll call you.
I love that. I love that you have that relationship already with your person that this is so beautiful. Wow. This is all made, handmade.
All this is handmade here. There's no China imports.
Yes, it's local. You have your own abundance of all of this, right? So why not to make, I love that about Peru, that you make everything of your own. You utilize everything your country is rich with. This is amazing. I have a question. What do you think is the future of agriculture in Peru? Are there things you wish could be done?
In Peru, we have two agricultures. We have a modern agriculture that exports worldwide to 5 continents, 110 countries. That's okay because it offers labor, decent labor, very audited labor. But we also have the familiar agriculture. We have 1.8 million, in the short population of Peru, 1.8 million producing units of family units that they are poor. What I'd like to see in the near future is to incorporate all this traditional agriculture without losing its sense into the export chain. And what you are doing by promoting this kind of product, by showing it's very good for us.
What is special here is that people are still doing it the way they used to do centuries ago and bring it to the world and for us to see and share. And I love that lots of chefs taking their real authentic cuisine and creating something elevated or unique or different, using everything that is local, from this baskets to plates to greens and herbs and everything. This is really the only way that should be. This is the adventure. This is a huge part before cooking it, actually going and looking and touching and smelling and trying your produce. This is the best part of the cooking. That's what makes you creative and that's what inspires you.
Hungry for more? Subscribe and join me on this delicious journey.